Hey everybody, it's Craig again from Vitex, and today we're talking about medical certification. So we're going to shine a light on why you actually need this in your products. So if you work in a hospital, you're a doctor, you're a tech, this is something for you to listen into and take it from me. Even though I'm not a doctor, I play one in the office, so I'm totally qualified to talk about medical certification. So here are some terms that you're probably familiar with. There are lots of different certifications that go on in the medical field: FDA, ISO, UL, UMC, IEC, and EN. So there's a lot of different testing and processes that are all tied into this. So it's very important to make sure that your supplier knows about these certifications and about these compliance so they can get you the right product that you need. So why are Vitex products important and why should you consider them? Well, our fiber-based products have complete electrical isolation. So this is helpful when you're talking about immunity to EMI or electromagnetic isolation. We want to cut down that EMI interference. So it also provides higher data security when compared to traditional copper-based product or copper line, right? And also, hey, I know I like to have my work like real easy. So having these products bring an ease into the maintenance and to the troubleshooting as well as the customer support. So if you're still not convinced, what are some of the areas of why you need this? Let's just kind of go through this checklist so you understand the difference between a general and a medical grade product. So the first one, as I mentioned before, is quality, right? General grade products or general products don't have to go through all of these different certifications. Some of them may go through some of them, but not all of them. So it's important to make sure that you have quality in the products that you're getting. That brings into safety. Safety for you, for your hospital, for all of your patients. They're tested to high quality to make sure that these products are going to be safe and they're going to work well with other products that you have and other devices in a medical setting. This cuts down liability, right? So you want to make sure that you're protected from a liable perspective when you're dealing with patients and you're providing the best care possible. The next one is companies that are set up for ISO and other certifications and other quality metric systems. They provide a great service to you, right? So we're able to provide this great customer service so you can be at ease knowing that we're going to be here to be able to provide any support you need for any devices that you get from Vitex. Which brings us to the peace of mind. Let you sleep better, let me sleep better. So as we're trying to help people, we're all able to do that together in the best way possible. So what are some of your options when you're going through these fiber display solutions? So we have two basic options that we can really provide you here at Vitex, and you should really contact us here in New Jersey so we can give you some more details about this. The first one is a straight fiber cable connection where we have dongles that plug in on both your source and display side, and they're connected with a fiber cable, so you have some of that great EMI and security that we talked about. It's really easy. It's minimum connections that are required. The next one, if you're moving from DVI and you're moving over to things like DisplayPort or HDMI, we have connections where we have modules that will plug directly into those ports and provide the capability to remove these cables if you need them serviced. So what's the big advantage of this? If something goes wrong in this system, you can have these quick disconnects, which are on our transmitter side and on our receiver side, to quickly disconnect, remove them, and put new ones in or get a service to those areas. So these are some of the options you have to think about while you're trying to get the proper display medical certified equipment in your hospital or medical area. So again, please contact us here. Vitex, we're in New Jersey, we're local, and we'll be sure to help you with any questions that you have. Until next time, I'll see you then.